Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing how yoga can help improve flexibility. Yoga is a low-impact exercise that emphasizes stretching and strengthening the muscles, which can help increase flexibility. By practicing yoga regularly, you can improve your range of motion, decrease stiffness, and prevent injuries. Yoga poses are designed to gently stretch and strengthen the muscles, increasing their flexibility over time. Many yoga poses involve holding a posture for several breaths, which helps to lengthen the muscles and improve their elasticity. One of the great things about yoga is that it is accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, there are poses that can be modified to fit your needs and help you achieve your flexibility goals. Some of the most popular yoga poses for improving flexibility include downward facing dog, triangle pose, and cobra pose. These poses target the back, hamstrings, hips, and other areas of the body that tend to be tight and inflexible. In addition to improving flexibility, yoga can also provide a range of other benefits, including stress reduction, improved balance, and increased strength. So if you're looking to increase your flexibility and enhance your overall well-being, consider incorporating yoga into your daily routine. With practice and patience, you can achieve greater flexibility and a more balanced, healthier body. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to stay up to date with all my latest content. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video.